Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to customize the login page for your learners in your Academy. To get started, go to the visual settings of the Academy and open the landing page tab. Here you can customize the main elements of your login page. You can add your own title and description, as well as upload your company logo. You can also choose one of the available page layouts and preview how each one looks. The available options include course preview, horizontal content, vertical content, and text only. Once you choose a layout, you can customize it to match your Academy's style. You can change the background color or upload your own image. You can also choose the text color and adjust the page orientation in layouts that supports this option. Next, you can choose what content will be displayed on the login page. You can show courses available in the Academy, an image, the video, or no additional content. On Open Academies, you can also enable social login using Facebook, LinkedIn, and Google. Finally, you can customize the login form. You can change the text above the input field, the registration or login button text, as well as the button color and the text color on the button. When uploading images, we recommend using the following formats and sizes. The maximum image size is 5 megabytes. I hope that helped, and good luck with your Academy.